Hello, today I am going to solve some question paper IAL International Advanced Level AS Physics. Unit 1, Section A. Answer all questions. For question 1 to 10 in section A, select one answer from A to D and put a cross in the box. If you change your mind, put a line through the box and then mark your new answer with cross. Question number 1. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? We know scalar quantity is a physical quantity which has only magnitude, no direction. So scalar quantity has only magnitude, no direction. On the other hand, vector quantity, the physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction is called vector quantity. So vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. Here weight is a kind of force, so it is a vector quantity. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Remember, when a vector quantity is multiplied with a scalar quantity, then result will be a vector quantity. So momentum is a vector quantity. Terminal velocity, so velocity is a vector quantity. So terminal velocity also a vector quantity. So correct answer here, correct answer is kinetic energy, because kinetic energy, remember, all type energy is scalar quantity. So correct answer equal to D. Total for question 1 equal to 1 mark. Now question number 2. A cylinder of aluminium has a weight of 35.0 Newton and a volume of 1.32 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Which of the following calculation gives the density of the aluminium is in kg per meter cube? We know density equal to mass divided by volume. So here weight is given. So we know weight W equal to mass divided by mass into gravitational field strength. So M equals to W divided by G. So putting this value of mass W divided by G into equation, W by G divided by V. So after cross W by G into 1 by V, so density equal to W divided by G into V. So correct answer is 35.0 G 9.81 into 1.32 10 to the power minus 3 is the volume. 1.32 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So here correct answer is C. Total for question 2 equal to 1 mark. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A van travels along a straight horizontal road at constant velocity. Which of the following statements is correct? When any object moves with constant velocity, remember the resultant force is zero. So here a correct answer will be the frictional force. Correct answer is option D. The frictional force of the road on the tires is the opposite direction to the motion of the van. So it is correct statement because the frictional force on of the road on the tires is the opposite direction to the motion of the van. So correct answer is D. Option B, it is similar. Some student thinks this one is the correct, but resultant force on the van. There is a resultant force is the van is equal to the frictional force of the road on the tire is equal. So it is not correct. So total for question 3 equal to 1 mark. Now question number 4. Question number question number 4. A hydraulic power station has an efficiency of 32% in 1 hour. Remember, time is 1 hour. The useful energy output of the power station is 1.2 10 to the power 13 joule. Which of the following expression gives the total power input to the power station in watts? We know efficiency equal to useful useful energy output divided by total output energy, total total input energy, into 100%. So eta efficiency eta equal to useful energy divided by time. So useful divided by total input energy, E total input energy, E total divided by T. Because we can write efficiency equal to useful output power divided by total input power into 100%. So efficiency equal to energy useful energy divided by T divided by power input, total power input into 100%, into 100%. So here efficiency 32% equal to useful energy 1.2 10 to the power 13 divided by time. Remember time is 1 hour, so 36 in power input into 100%. We can cancel 100 cancel percent in both sides, so power input, total input power equal to 1.2 10 to the power 13 to 100% divided by 32 into 3600. So correct answer is C. We can divide this 32 by 100. So correct answer is C. No, sorry, correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. B. Correct answer is B. Sorry, correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. Total for question 4 equal to 1 mark. Now question number 5. Question number 5. A compressive force F is applied to an object made of a material with Young modulus E. The original length of the object in the direction of the force is x and the cross-sectional area is A. Which expression gives the length of the object after force is applied? So we have to find out the length after the force is applied. Here, Young modulus E equal to F by A, change in length delta x divided by x. So we need delta x. So delta x into E divided by x equal to E by F by A. So delta x equal to F divided by A divided by x. So F A x E. So correct answer will be x plus delta x. X, remember, we have to find out the expression of the length of the object after the force is applied. So x plus delta x. Here x plus delta x. So fx divided by ae. So correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. Remember, correct answer is B here. Total for question 5 equal to 1 mark. Now question number 6. A tractor pulls a trailer a distance s time t in time t. The useful power output of the tractor is P. The useful power output of the tractor is P. Which of the following question gives the force F of the tractor on the trailer? We know power equals to work done divided by time. We know work done equal to force into displacement or distance moved along the direction of the force divided by time. So F equal to we can write power into time divided by S. So correct answer is B here. Total for question 6 equal to 1 mark. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Two objects with the same initial speed fall from the same height in a vacuum chamber as shown. The arrows in the diagram show the initial distance of the initial directions of the travel of the object. Here, first object, the acceleration is g, consider, and initial speed is 0. Both object has same initial speed, u equal to 0. Say, and acceleration always act downwards, vertical downwards. There is an angle. So g cos theta is the acceleration for second object. So which of the following quantities are not the same for the both objects? Here the acceleration of the object during the fall is not same. So correct answer is A here. Correct answer is A. Total for question 7 equal to 1 mark. Question number 8. A constant forward force acts on a car. The car accelerates along a straight road. After a while, the speed of the car reaches a constant value. Which graph shows the variation of the acceleration with time for the car? Here, car reaches a constant velocity. That means acceleration is zero. Zero. So a correct answer, correct option is C here. Correct option is C here. C. So correct answer is C. Total for question 8 equal to 1 mark. Question number 9. Now question number 9. A copper rod was placed under tensile stress and tensile strain in the rod was measured. The tensile strain in the rod was measured. The graph shows how the tensile stress required to cause a tensile strain in the rod depends upon the tensile strain. So this graph is tensile stress against tensile strain. What does the point X represent? X represent the yield point of the copper. Yield point of the copper. So correct answer is D here. Correct answer is D. The yield point of the copper. Total for question 9 equal to 1 mark. Question number 10. Question number 10. Two forces F1 and F2 act on an object as shown. Here, two forces F1 and F2 act on an object as shown. Which of the following is correct drawn scaled vector diagram for the resultant R of the vectors of the forces F1 and F2? We know vector addition triangle law of addition. If two vectors are represented by two adjacent arm of a triangle in same order, then the third arm will represent in the opposite way the resultant vector of the two vectors. So if you represent F1 by a line, horizontal line, and F2 force is represented by another adjacent arm of a triangle. Then if we draw the third arm of the triangle, then resultant vector will represent the third arm in the opposite way. So correct answer is C here. Correct answer is C here. Total for question 10 equal to 1 mark. Total for questions for section A equal to 10 marks. No more today. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and if you want to get like this video more, then press the bell button. Thank you for watching.